Okay, so on the bench today, you guessed it, another one here. Now this one's quite different. Not that it's different at all, but somebody took some time to actually put the checksum and everything on, and the chip type and everything on the ROM there. Somebody, a little attention to detail there. That's pretty neat. And different size card too. I don't like the 8 gigs, but it's a different. Sorry, not different size, different type card and a different type compact flash to IDE adapter. That's neat. So I don't know what's going on exactly with this one, but oh, it doesn't have VGA cable. Good thing I got a couple of those around. Let's plug it in and just see what we get here, if anything. Yeah, nothing at all. Like nothing. Okay. Let's take a look around real quick, shall we? Okay, so yeah, I see some crap, but I don't really see anything wild. Yeah, that's just crap. That doesn't even look like anything's corroded. Let's look up here. Yeah, nothing looks really corroded. Yeah, like not at all. Well, that's strange. Oh, what's that? Okay, give me a second here. Yeah, let's do this together here. Oh. Let's pop that out real quick. I wonder where else it's corroded like that. Oh yeah, that's kind of stuck in there, isn't it? Oh yeah. Nothing on the legs though. Oh, maybe a little tiny bit at the bottom there. Oh yeah, that socket is definitely corroded on that pin, but well, it could be. Yeah, again, I don't see anything. Let me brush this off real quick. See if there's really anything happening here. Let me take a good look here. Oh, there might be a little corrosion right here. Just a tad on the other side right here. Yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. If that was the issue, that's not bad. Let me zoom you out here. Sorry. Let me get this plugged in here, and what we should get is nothing. Perfect. And now we're getting a reset. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Okay, that's good. Okay, hold on here. Watch this be an easy one. Which would be alright, because I have had crap luck lately. Yep, I'm going to need a full restart. Maybe we should start checking some data lines here. I just noticed that right off the bat, though. Okay, give me a second here. Let me see what I find. Okay, so besides this issue here, I believe we got another one right here. I'd like to know how this happens. If this was working, right? Like, how does this even happen? I haven't checked the back yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've got no continuity from 5 to anywhere. So what the heck? How does that even happen? Let me check 5th pin here, just for shits and giggles sake, on the back. Like, is there anything wrong with that pin? No. Not that I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you probably can't see shit. I'm just counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I mean, I don't see anything wrong there, but hang on here. Yeah, we're there. Wait a second here. Oh, where are we going here? Yeah, we're there. We're absolutely there. Does that pin look bad? It can't be, right? Let's check the actual socket. Because we look all right. Because we look all right there. On the underside. What do we got going on here? Well, I see a piece of mouse poop, I think. The hell is that? But still, that wouldn't cause it. Is that a piece of mouse poop? Or is it a bug? Yeah, it's a bug. Okay. Still. If we're... Well, that pin's bad. You can probably see that. What color of that? It's green. So we got some corrosion there, and that's ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me check that this way. Just for shits and giggles sake. Hold on here. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We should be right about here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should be right about here. Yeah, we got nothing. Yeah. Oops, sorry. I know you can't see. So from here, 1, 2, 3. We should be right about here with it. I know you can't see jack shit. Let me turn that light off and back out. Yeah. We should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should be right about here. Sorry. Right about here. Yeah, and there's nothing there. And again, that pin is corroded. Just to show you. But yeah, so from pin 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we should be right about here somewhere. Right about here. I think it's the second, see that tick? That line? Should be this second line right here, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I do see some shit, and that bug was sitting right about there. So let me dive into this a little more. You can really see just how rotten that pin is. But we should have continuity. We should have continuity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 ticks. Yeah, we should be the next pin over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means, so from somewhere, because I already checked the via from under here to where it goes, and it was there. So let me keep going from the back and check the vias to we get to up here. And again, it should be that second line from this tick here. It should be this second line right here. Not that one. The next one over. Should be that trace there. And I don't see shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there ain't nothing there. So yeah, let me check that out. Okay, sorry, I just want to make a correction. It is the first trace. It is the first trace, not the second. It is the first one. Just want to clear that up. Okay, so we should have continuity from 5. So from down here, sorry, from this side, right here, right? The 5th one over this way. Leave that in the shot just a little more. So number 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should, from there, we should have it to this via here. 4, 5, and we don't. Now this trace is fine. but we don't have anything from here to here. And again, we don't, let me go to this trace here for a second. Do we have anything to here? No, we don't. No, we don't. But we do from here? Yes, we do. Wait, hold on here, sorry. Yeah, we do. Let me back you out. Hold on. So we should have continuity like I showed you before. We're okay from this point to 5, but this goes to this over here. And we don't. So we either go from here to here or from here to here. So I would assume if from here to here is fine, right? It's from here to here. Okay, so let me fix that up. And I'll show you the work, and then we'll try that out. What's funny is I don't see anything physically wrong. So either we got something wrong from underneath here in this section here, because this does go to this. The second pin here of the RAM does go from the second pin to the second pin, and does go, excuse me here. We're okay here, right? And we're not okay here, which is where we should be. Three, 4, 5. We're okay there. So it is literally... Okay, yep, let me just do that. Let me do this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, we got our trace repair made. Right, so let's double check and make sure from pin 5 that we got it to the appropriate leg on that chip. Let me back you out. Let's make sure there's not another break somewhere. I got a feeling it's somewhere after this RAM chip, because pin 2 here is to here, right? But it should be from here to here. And it's not. So now, whoops. Where am I here? So we should be now from 5. I got to get over top of this so I can see. From pin 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should be to that first pin. And we are. Okay. Well, let's give this a shot here. Oh, I need VGA cable. I don't know why they took the VGA cable off. Weird. But whatever. No big deal. No big deal. All right. We'll do it without a drive first, just to see if we get, let me, so you can see that light blinking there. Do we have anything? Oh, there's a flash. Hey, there we go. Hey, there we go. Okay. So that's that. Now, let me turn that off. Let's get their original driving air. Oh, shit. They don't have any power with it. Where's mine? So I can steal a power cable from it. Where is my, right here? Okay. I don't know if this is a, well, what does it say? It says G4C, so it should be complete. Well, then I should just be able to run my complete. Like, plain and simple. Don't I have another one here? Yeah, fuck it. I'll just use mine here. Because I know mine's a working complete. Where is my other power cable, though? Where's my other drive set up? Give me 2 seconds here. So I just grabbed my whole other drive. Like, I'm not going to bother unhooking all this. So, let's see. Because that should be complete on this card here. Which you can't see, but it doesn't really matter. There we go. I don't know if this is set to... It says complete. Voltage low. Well, of course it is, because... There we go. So start, we should have, yep, okay, so everything checks out there. Come on now. What, are you gonna get stuck? Nope, there we go. Okay, perfect. There we go. Well, that's that. So that is what the hell was going on here. So there must be a break after this to here. Because this was okay to here, right? And this is okay to here, but this is not okay to here, which makes this not okay to here. Perfect. That'll work for me. Okay, so that's a quick diagnostics and repair. So you guys know, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.